This is a review of the Bootstrap Farmer 1020 size trays in the amount of 10. I bought Bootstrap Farmer because of the fact I was trying to steer clear of one-use plastics when coming to gardening. That's just my way of trying to minimize the footprint I'm leaving in regards to when I'm gardening. I feel like I'm investing in my growing future by investing in these heavy-duty seed starting tools. So then that way, I think I've on 3 years already using these, and I know that I'm going to be able to use these for years to come. These are very heavy duty. As you can see, they are very heavy duty. And so because this is so heavy duty, this particular tray eliminated my total casualties when transporting from inside to outside. And so I love that it's so heavy duty and it's reusable year after year after year. And they are BPA free. And like I said before, I just really want to try and eliminate as many single-use plastics as I can when gardening.